Hi guys, welcome back. So today I have a video that I know a couple of my friends have been waiting for. A couple weeks ago I did ask you guys if you wanted to see my favorite DIY homemade hair mask and what has been helping for my hair, and that's how kind of looks healthy and shiny and long. So I'm gonna show you my 3 favorite hair masks that I've been doing for the longest time, and each of these hair masks are gonna target different things. So depending on what you need for your hair, each of these masks are gonna work for different things. So for example, if you want growth, if you want shine, so hopefully these help you. They're super easy to make with ingredients that pretty much everybody has at home in their fridge or like in their pantry. Super easy ingredients to find. So I hope these work for you guys. Let me know if you try them, and let me know in the comments down below what you thought, if you saw any results the first time or second time. I know this is super unrelatable, like it has nothing to do with this video, but someone just asked me what I'm wearing on my lips on Instagram, so I figured let me just say it on here. I'm wearing Ella's Eve Cosmetics. I did a mix of 3 different shades. So I have Sweet, Dulce, and Camila. If you guys are new here, or if you didn't know, my sister and I created a makeup brand a couple years ago. I think we've had it for 2 years now, and it is 100% our own brand. So these are the 3 different shades that I'm wearing. So if you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna leave you the information down below if you want to support a small business, a Latina owned business, 100% women operated. If you have any questions, if you want me to make a separate video showing you everything that we have, just let me know. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. 1 avocado. I'm using these cups avocado that are worth of like half an avocado, so I'm using 2 of those. I found them at Sam's Club, and they are 100% organic, just plain avocado. Avocado is rich in fatty acids that nourish and strengthen the hair follicles while providing moisture. For shine, also has vitamin E, which helps to stimulate the growth. Then we're going to be using almond oil. Almond oil is really hydrating and nourishing. Not only it provides moisture to the hair, but it also helps your scalp. And then we're going to be using honey. Honey helps adding shine to dull hair, and also helps smoothen your hair follicles. Mix it real well, and this is what it's kind of gonna look like, the consistency. You can see how the honey gives it a little something something. Second mask that we're gonna be making is for health and growth. So if you're looking for healthy long hair, we're gonna be using 2 eggs. Egg yolk is superfood for your hair due to the unique combination of vitamins A, E, biotin, and folate. So it really does help a lot with your hair, especially if you want healthy and long hair. We're also going to be using castor oil. This organic castor oil is really rich in a type of fatty acid found to fight inflammation. So when you apply it to the scalp, it really enhances the health of your hair follicles and promotes hair growth. The last ingredient, yes, I am using cacao. So cacao has a lot of sulfur and protein, so it really aids in helping the growth and the health of your hair, and it also does help preventing breakage. So if you suffer of broken, damaged hair, this is gonna help a lot as well. Now we're gonna mix all of the ingredients together, and you can apply this mask to your entire hair for 15 to 20 minutes. So the last mask that we're gonna be making is for clean and healthy scalp. So we're gonna be using coconut oil, which promotes scalp health fighting against insect bites, lice, dandruff, moisturizing your hair, and also adding shine to it. It really prevents hair breakage and split ends and soften up your hair. Coconut oil is good for a lot of things, and everybody knows this. So we're gonna be using 2 tablespoons and also 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps strengthen your hair and it improves the pH level of your scalp. It helps with scalp infections and also itchiness if you have a dry scalp. So this is how your masks are supposed to look like. I would make them on the day that you're planning on using them. Let me know if you guys tried any of these masks and let me know your thoughts. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.